The Japanese pygmy woodpecker, Yungipicus kizuki, is a small species of woodpecker found in Japan. The Japanese pygmy woodpecker is one of the smallest woodpecker species, measuring about 13 to 15 centimeters, 5 to 6 inches in length. It has a compact body with a short tail and a relatively small bill. The male and female birds look similar, with a combination of black, white, and pale gray plumage. They have a black crown, a white forehead, and a white stripe above the eye. The back and wings are black with white spots, and the underparts are whitish or pale gray. The Japanese pygmy woodpecker is endemic to Japan and is found throughout the country, including the main islands of Honshu, Shikoku, and Kyushu. It inhabits various types of forested habitats, including deciduous and mixed forests, as well as parks and gardens. These woodpeckers are highly active and agile climbers, often seen hopping and climbing on tree trunks and branches. They use their strong bills to drum on trees in search of insects and larvae. They primarily feed on ants, beetles, spiders, and other small invertebrates found in the bark and crevices of trees. Japanese pygmy woodpeckers are monogamous and breed during the spring and summer months. They excavate their nest cavities in dead or decaying trees, typically at a height of 2 to 5 meters, 6 to 16 feet, above the ground. The female lays a clutch of 3 to 6 white eggs, and both parents take turns incubating the eggs and feeding the chicks. The Japanese pygmy woodpecker is considered a species of least concern by the International Union for Conservation of Nature, IUCN, due to its relatively large population and widespread distribution. However, habitat loss and fragmentation pose potential threats to this species, especially as a result of deforestation and urbanization. The Japanese pygmy woodpecker may be confused with the white-backed woodpecker Dendrocopos leucotos, but it is smaller and lacks the white patches on its wings. It also resembles the brown-fronted woodpecker Dendrocopos auriceps, which has a similar size and appearance but is found in different regions.